First, take a ginger 50 to 60 gram, then peel the ginger and mash it thoroughly or grate it. Set aside. Put 3 to 4 bay leaves in 50 milliliters water and soak for 1 hour at room temperature to gently infuse the water. Add the mashed ginger and the bay leaf soaking water leaves included to a small pan. Heat on low to medium low for 3 to 4 minutes until steamy, do not boil hard. Remove from heat. Strain through a fine strainer into a clean bowl. Keep the ginger residue for the scrub, don't discard. Now mix 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 1 to 2 TBSP of the warm extract you just made. Stir until smooth. Return the remaining extract to the pan on low heat. Slowly whisk in the cornstarch slurry. Cook 3 to 4 minutes on low, whisking constantly until it turns glossy and creamy, gel-like. If it bubbles, keep it gentle. Whisk in 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. And 1 tablespoon olive oil until evenly combined and smooth. Pour into a clean, dry, airtight container. Let it cool to room temperature, then close the lid. Now mix the scrub in a bowl. Combine the saved ginger residue with 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons honey. Stir to a spreadable paste. On clean, damp skin, gently massage the scrub in small circles for 30 to 60 seconds. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, optional for extra benefit. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Ginger boosts circulation. increases blood flow, giving skin a natural glow. Bay leaves detoxifying effect. The infusion helps purify skin. Aloe vera gel, deep hydration, moisturizes dry or sensitive skin.